Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is February 5th, 2021, and the market is officially closed. Finito. It's been a beautiful week. We had close near record highs once again. So let's jump right into it. The S&P. All right, so we're going to do it a little differently this week. The prior weeks, I've looked at the daily charts. So I'm going to switch it up on you now, and I'm going to actually look at weekly charts because they give you a better visual on how things are moving. So here is the S&P weekly chart. The same levels that we've drawn on there are still applicable to this chart. So let's take a look. Now this week we closed at record highs, and that's going to be 38.86.83 is where we closed at. The high was 38.94.56. So what you see here is this candle happened for the week. Now last week I was looking at things being reversible because we closed near the lows, and that is a signal for some weakness in the market. And I'm looking for next week to actually test out its strength to what happened this week. So I'm looking for actually a pullback. A pullback is long overdue, and we are in the stages that I see for a potential pullback. And I think that's going to come back down to test this 3,700 level. That's what I see for next week. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out IWM. So IWM, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Same levels that we had applied here. We see the same type of formation. This is called an outside day candle formation, and this is typically at least a pause in the trend. We did close at the record highs, and that is also a signal for the market to continue. But there is some exhaustion going on here, and what I'm looking at is I'm also taking a look at my MACD, my RSI, and my stochastic, and all of them are overbought. The price pattern is showing something predictable. If you measure from here to here, you'll see that this distance is pretty much the same. So it's just a little time for a pullback, and that's all right. We got to let some new money in order for things to run. So that is it. I'm terrible at promoting myself, so I want to make sure I take the time out to say check out Stocks and Bars. That's my new podcast. New episode will be coming out this month. Make sure you check out Marathon Money, and don't forget to check out the weekly analysis every single week. All right, add me on any social media. That's at Wincrease Team. So y'all enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you next week. All right, peace.